Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Well, we've seen it. Several waste chances and we have paid for it. I think Kotoko should have won this game by 3 or 4-0. I think we'll have scored about 2 goals or 3 goals in the first half, but the team were not linking up in the attack, and that is why Kotoko drew this game. I think I stated at the halftime, I tweeted and said that if Kotoko doesn't bury this game, it's going to be like last season when we played against Edwana Stars and Berekum Chelsea, and that's what happened. Berekum Chelsea won, Edwana Stars snatched a draw. I think they snatched a draw after we missed 2 penalties. Today, Kotoko had 3 penalties. I was talking about penalties. Selom Yao Bless. That's a name Kotoko fans will never forget in their lifetime, because today he was one of the reasons the team couldn't win today's game. 3 clear penalties. 3 clear penalties, and he didn't call that, and the fans felt that he shouldn't have officiated a game as huge as this. Kotoko has a folk here giving Selom Yaubles, an upcoming referee, to officiate on the biggest game in the country. Appalling. After I saw the first one, I was like, okay, maybe they told him that because of the last time Kotoko played House of Oak, the referee gave a penalty, they petitioned him and he was suspended or sanctioned or something like that. They told him that if you go there, don't give a penalty, if not, they're going to sanction you. You know, they want it to be a draw. They are scared. They are scared of improving. They are scared of making decisions. They are scared that they'll get sanctioned. What you see is what you give, right? Yes, that's how referee officiates game. Imagine if a CAF official was there to, assess the performance of the referee to see if he can be shortlisted for a CAF Confederation game or CAF Champions League game and eventually go international. He would be disappointed because Kotoko had 3 penalties and missed, and the referee missed that. He refused and decided not to call that decisions to make. He decided not to, make decisions to give Kotoko a penalty in 3 different occasions, 3 clear penalties in this particular game. Now, talking about Kotoko, I think I'm impressed with the way they played today. That's apart from the goal scoring aspect, the building, the creating of chances. Enoch Morrison did pretty okay. I think the best player in the pitch was Serge Zeze. He was extremely good, tackling, composure, passing, keeping everything simple. He created a lot of chances. He helps in the midfield and he helps in the attack. I think he's the player to watch this season for Asante Kotoko because he has a lot to offer from what we've seen today. It will be interesting to see him play for Kotoko in the upcoming games in the Ghana Premier League. Yusuf Mubarak scored a striker's goal because he told Stephen Mukwala, since you can't finish, I'll show you how to finish. And he did that perfectly, and he actually showed Stephen Mukwala how to finish. Today, see the goal he scored? Beautiful goal. And that was the goal we should have, that was the time we should have pressed on, score several, create chances and score goals. But we created chances all right, but Stephen Mukwala should have scored about 2 or 3 goals today. This is why we need, or this is the reason why Frank Mbella was our best player last season, because this kind of opportunity for him, he would have finished it, he would have scored a lot of goals and giving Kotoko that 3 points we needed. So I think Stephen Mukwala should step up and start performing for Kotoko. It's either we put Mukwala on the bench and play someone else like Mfuege in the striking position, or we play him somewhere else. I think he doesn't have what it takes to, to be the top man up there. But I think there's room for improvement. He can improve. Several rooms for improvement. He can improve from what I've seen today. So I think as time goes on, Kotoko will play well. Kotoko will dominate the league, but we just need to sort the attack. Isaac Opong was another player that disappointed a lot of people today. The fans felt he should have gotten a goal. I know he was one of the penalty calls. He shouts, he was fouled in the box, and it should have been a penalty. But I think he disappointed today. He was rushing things and refused to link up with his attacking partners, and made us draw today's game. See, I wanted to say a lot because I felt today's game felt like a defeat for Kotoko, because Kotoko should have won this game. So I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the overall performance? Do you think Kotoko should have done better? Do you think House of Oak deserve the point. What do you think about Selomiao Bless? I think Kotoko fans will be fuming, and I think the officials and the security there will be, guarding the referee out of the stadium because tempers will be flaring at the Baba Yara Stadium because Kotoko fans are not happy with the referee's decisions today. Everyone has been talking about it on social media that the referee was the center of attention. He was the man of the match. Selomiao Bless was terrible. I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and hit that notification bell. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I think Kotoko were promising today, and if they sort out the attack, they're going to dominate the Ghana Premier League again and eventually win the league. So that's all for today. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.